Okay, here we go. I got the Zoom set up, so let's go ahead and start the lecture here. Congrats on making it to the final step. Now let's see if I can make it past the final step. I just wanted to take a moment to say, Kathy, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for your feedback, and I'm hoping that I do better on this presentation. So here we go. Let the games begin. We should be unmuted and we should be in narrate mode. Okay, so we are going to try to go straight down this list. So first thing says to make a rectangle around the candy store. And then using the blue highlighter, fill that in. Okay. With the text tool, type in, and we want those to be in red. So we are going to say, there once was a man named Joe. On the outside there, and then resize. So we're going to make this one size larger. We're going to italicize it, and then we're going to change the color to blue. Go to the next step. All right, we're going to select the pen. We need to go to a color other than black. So we're going to go with purple because I like purple. Now we're going to do this math problem. We needed to go to medium width. I forgot about that. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply. That's going to give us 13W. And then cross multiplying here is going to give us 4W plus 12V. I'm going to subtract 4W from both sides. So that'll give me 9W. This canceled is equal to 12V. All right, I want to get it in the format of V over W. So I'm going to divide both sides by W. That will cancel. And then I'll divide both sides by 12. So that'll give me 9 over 12 is equal to V over W. Then I want to reduce this, so that'll give me 3 over 4. Now I've got V over W equals 3 over 4. So that's the one I want. All right, now we're going to go through these steps. We're going to put a line under number 1, identify the variables. And then we want to put a oval around this one. And we want to click to commit that to the screen. All right, moving right along. We're going to change our status to away. And we're going to create a poll. We're just going to call this, we're going to make this 20 minutes. And we're just going to say why. Create the poll. We want it to be visible. Now we're going to say that we're going to do a print screen. So now we're going to go to the whiteboard. Now we can see what we've got here. We can see our poll going on here. We're going to set our background to a grid. We're going to grow the backboard. And we're going to tell the students, great job. We're going to reset, and then we're going to go on to back to the slides. So let's get back to the one that we were on. Now we're going to import a picture of ourselves. Change to the pen, go to a medium. We're going to say Roger W. Then it says undo the first letter. I'm going to just say that we're going to use the eraser to get rid of that last letter. And then we're going to use the pointer tool. And I'm just going to show you that I am wearing a necklace. All right, moving right along. We're going to say pause the broadcast. So we're going to pause the broadcast. Advance to the last slide. So we're going to click. We're skipping over slide 1, skipping slide 2, skipping slide 3. Now we're on the last slide. We're going to resume the broadcast. We're going to close out the recording. So we're just going to say that, how did we like the tech training? A very innovative method of training. This is the first time that I've done a training like this that was sort of in a vacuum. Very impressive though. The only thing I can compare it to is the Kami software, and this is much more flexible than that. All right, I think that that is all we needed to say for today. Again, thank you, Kathy, for an opportunity to re-record this, and hopefully I did better on this one. We will go back to stop our recording.